Hello students, in our series of lessons in Tinkercad circuits, we're moving on to lesson 4, wiring components. So go to this website, tinkercad.com/learn/circuits, that's learning, and click on wiring components. It's going to load up, and I believe there's about 5 steps here. Yep, 1 to 5. We're going to learn how to wire components together to create electrical connections. So we're going to be doing this. Click on next. So we're going to wire the positive side of the battery into the positive rail of the breadboard. So we're going to hover over the red terminal of the battery. So you're going to hover over the red terminal of the battery. You're going to click, and it's going to extend a wire off of that. And then we're going to click on the positive of the power rail on the circuit board, or the breadboard. Okay. If you click off of it, that's okay. Click back on the wire. We need to change that to red. So we're going to change that right here. Click on that menu and click red. Okay. If you need another reference, there is a little animation here that shows you exactly what you need to do. Otherwise, click on next to continue. Now we're going to hover over the black terminal, the negative side of the battery. That's this right here. Right, click on that. And then we're going to connect it to the negative rail of the breadboard. Click. And then we're going to make that black. Okay. Again, there's a little animation here showing you exactly what you need to do. So you can reference that if you need it. And click next. And now we're ready to start the simulation. So we're going to click on the Start Simulation button. It's going to initialize it. And on the breadboard, there's 8 buttons. There's these little black push buttons. And what will happen is we'll press each one in. And we basically made a little soundboard. Right, so congratulations, you learned how to add wires to a power piano circuit. So when a wire is selected, you can cycle between the wire colors by typing a number on your keyboard. So like 1 to 9 or 0. So if you click on that and you type 0 or 1, oh, it's not working on mine. Oh, I got to stop simulation. That's why. Okay. So you click on it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm pressing the numbers on my keyboard. If you press the shift key and then click on the button will stay pressed. So I'm just going to initialize. So I'm holding down shift on the keyboard and I'm pressing a button. And it stays on until I click it. Breadboards are a powerful tool for prototyping with electronics. If you're interested in learning more about using one, check out our tutorial on mastering the breadboard. Okay, so that's lesson 4.